Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the "there was a problem loading your video" issue on the Rave application. If you are experiencing this problem, follow these steps to get back to enjoying your videos. So now let's dive in. First, you need to ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause videos to fail to load. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem still persists, close the Rave app completely and restart it. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches that might be preventing your video from loading. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Rave application. Updates frequently include bug fixes that could resolve your issue. Check the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for any available updates and install them. Next, clear the app's cache and data to eliminate any temporary files that might be causing the problem. Go to your device's settings, find the Rave app, and under the apps, tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Next, you need to ensure that the video you're trying to load is in a compatible format and still available from its source. If the video has been removed or the format isn't supported, you will encounter loading issues. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Rave application. This can resolve the deeper issues by starting with a fresh installation. And that's how you fix that there was a problem loading your video issue on the Rave application. Now if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.